You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing word. I love this word. I find the spelling confusing, but the pronunciation is actually pretty straightforward once you know. Levied is how to say it. Let's break it down. The pronunciation into syllables. Levied. The stress is on the first syllable. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar here as levied. How to pronounce levied. English pronunciation levied. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.